What's up, guys? So I want to show you some of the changes that I would love to make inside of Le Château. Some simple changes, simple things that would make it a bit more spacious, a bit more comfortable. When I say comfortable, I more so mean for my plants and just for some of the things that I may or may not use every day. But the biggest thing, which I've been talking about for a long time, is still clearing out under my bed so that I can really utilize it better than I already am. So I want to remove all of that factory plastic paneling right there, the same way I did on this side, which is why I'm able to store my party bar back here. In which case, once this sells, I will be putting a foldable mountain bike back there. But I removed all of the plastic paneling from here and it just opened up a lot more space. So I want to do the same thing over here, only this time I want to build out a simple wood shelf over there with cubby holes, or not necessarily cubby holes, but holes of some kind that will store plants. Whole shelves. I just want to utilize that space for more plants, because you see we're coming down here. However, there will still be plants on the floor, like Mason, my Monstera Peru. He's gonna stay on the floor. Queen Charlene is up for sale. Zora is probably gonna stay on the floor as well. But if I can get smaller pots over there, that would be fantastic. So that's one major thing that I want to do. Now, I don't want it to come out much further because my clothing storage bin is still right there and I like it right there. I just want to build that out. Now, when it comes to under my bed, here's the situation here. Okay, so let's lift this up. And like, for example, in here, this is my picnic basket. And you know what? I need to actually put this up for sale. I need to pull this out of here, take whatever's in there out besides the picnic stuff, and post that for sale because I'm not going to use that. Let me just be honest, okay? I'm not going to use that. So it can go up for sale. My two thick crochet jackets that are in there, I've been saying for the longest time, I need to take them out and post them for sale. So, Shalonda, you got to do that. I got to do that. And so that right there would clear up quite a bit of space. I can put my stove here. You know, I'd be able to put some yarn here. I have another wicker basket. I think it's on the other side. But anyway, like these here, I don't need these anymore. And I'm pretty sure I don't need the wires that are in there anymore. So all of this, I'm pretty sure I can either get rid of or empty out the contents of and repurpose the containers themselves. There's nothing wrong with doing that at all. Let's go around to the other side. Okay, so yes, there's my other wicker basket. And you know, this is a really nice, real suede leather Fossil brand laptop bag. And you know, I just found that I use the one that was gifted to me, the handmade one. I use that a lot more. I mean, you see I have this one here, so I need to actually post that for sale as well. This bin here, I got to be careful lifting this side because velvet is right there. But this bin has all of my jackets and stuff in, and these are jackets that I do wear. This wicker basket, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna need that, and whatever's in it. And so you see how I just stuff my dirty laundry in there? That's another thing that I'm pretty sure I can make better with better space. Here's another thing. I definitely need to get something better than this. This has run its course. You see how much it's sagging. So I need to do something better, because look, it's the bungee cord is no longer bungeeing. It's just a cord now with no more tension or give or anything like that. So that's another thing I need to figure out a better solution for. This has run its course. Yeah, thankfully now I do cover up all my windows at night. But yeah, it's just an eyesore at this point. I don't like how it looks. Yeah, I think everything else, I have it pretty dialed in, and I love it. I love it. There's really no need in putting my Bluetti under my bed or anywhere, because I don't have a high wattage solar panel connected to my roof, and I do still have to take it out and charge it to an outlet. So it's convenient right there, although it is taking up floor space. It's convenient. The fact that I did remove the plastic paneling from the passenger side, that right there did open up quite a bit of floor space that I did not have before, because the things that were over here now are back there. So that is awesome. And I like those two storage boxes right there. Very nice. I like my whole new pantry section. I love that. That is great. That right there, I absolutely adore that. Those drawers are so convenient. And it leaves for my clothes, strictly my clothes, to be in here, nothing else. So that's beautiful. Once I get those things done, I think Le Château will be pretty good to go. Pretty good to go. And I could also put my foldable storage panels under my bed. Once I get more stuff cleared out under there, I'll be able to do that. So that won't be a problem at all. And then look, you see we got more growth. Look at that baby right there. Yeah. So those are some of the things that I want to do with Le Château to just open up more space. Here's another thing. I'd be able to have specific space for my plant stuff. It is under there, some of it. As you see, my big bag is right there because it doesn't fit under the bed. But once I get things cleared out, all of that stuff will fit under my bed, and then I'll just have interior detailing stuff will be in my front seat. So I think that's going to be fantastic. Another thing I want to redo are my window coverings for all of my windows. I want something better, but I'm not even sure what better means, to be honest. I know for my back window, this one Like it sags so much. And since putting the black felt on the outside of this Reflectix, they just don't hold in the way they used to. And here's another thing. I don't think I'm able to, well, it's not even a think. I know. I'm not able to have magnets. Well, I don't know. It's plastic right here. And then it's just the window. So, yeah, I can't do the magnet things, but I want to figure something out. I want to do something better for my windows. And here's another thing about my windows. Because my two front windows are not tinted, when they are covered, the black felt that looks perfectly black and blacked out on the tinted windows, you can tell it's some sort of covering on these windows. And I don't particularly like that. I don't like that. I'd rather it be something that just looked completely blacked out. I don't even know if that's possible. Maybe I just want something that looks better. So honestly, y'all, I think that's it. Those are some of the minor changes that I want to make to Le Château and just make it look a little better. I feel like we have a long way to go in this home together, and little by little it keeps coming together, and I love that. So that's it. Make sure you like, comment, hype the video, subscribe if you're not already. What are you waiting for? Watch as many shorts and videos as you need to get warmed up to your girl, and I will see you on the other side of subscribed. Peace, y'all.